If you are looking for the interpreter on Google Pixel 10, you can easily find it by going to the app drawer, and then afterwards you should be able to find the Translate app. If you don't have it for some reason, you can just open the Play Store and just simply search for Translate. There we go. You should be able to find Google Translate app, and this is the app that we're going to use in order to find the interpreter. So over here, once we open it, you should be able to find the conversation button that is even highlighted. So we can tap over here in order to switch to the conversation mode, and we can use our microphone in order to say something in our language, and then it will be immediately translated into the other language. We also have the automatic language detection enabled. You can tap on one of these languages in order to change to a different one. And there we go. Here at the top, we can also switch the view so that we can have this face-to-face option. So if you are standing face-to-face with someone, then you can use this option instead, this view. We can also close it over here in order to go back to the normal one. And that's pretty much it. We can tap on the microphone in order to, for example, turn it off. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.